Arutwo 899,453 nio mekire kigeranio gya KCSE mwaka muhituku 450,554 ari mwana na airitu 448,899. Kuringana na Maumirira maria marekereirio umuthi ni Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu, no arutwo 201,133 mandikithitie grade ya C+ guthie na iguru, na beno ikiongerereka kuma arutwo 172,143 mwaka muhituku. Kuongerereka kwa namba ĩno gucungĩrĩirio ni mugaruruku maria makinyanirio ni Ministry ya Githomo makonie mutaratara wa kugereka marks cia muthia cia arutwo a form 4 kuria mugaru na hau kabere riria arutwo marekaga subject ithano cia o muhaka, rita riri arutwo matarirwo marks ciao cia muthia thiini wa mathomo meri ma o muhaka ari hamwe na mathabu, githungu, githwairi kana rũthiomi rwa utauri na njira ya ciiko. Maumirira ma subject ici igiri magituranirwo na maumirira ma subject ingi ithano iria murutwo andikithitie marks cia iguru.
It is clear from the new grading system that the ministry is now focusing on ensuring that our candidates are mandatory literacy, English or Kiswahili, and the numeracy mathematics to enable them pursue their careers in TVET institutions, universities and colleges.
Arutwo 1,216 niyo mandikithitie grade ya A, aya ari mwana 825 na airitu 391. Thukuru cia gikiro kia national nicio ciandikithitie arutwo aingi muno aria mari na A, aria ni arutwo 889. Thukuru cia extra county nicio kiandikithia arutwo 172. Thukuru cia andu kiumbe ikiandikithia arutwo 143. Thukuru cia county arutwo 5 na thukuru cia sub county arutwo 7.
Sometimes we assume that everybody who goes to a national school gets a university entry, but you can see about 20 of the candidates had a mean of a D- from national schools.
Arutwo 7,254 niyo megwatĩire grade ya A-, riri arutwo 18,078 megwatĩire grade ya B+, nao arutwo 36,728 makigwatĩra grade ya B, riri arutwo 59,514 megwatĩire grade ya B-, nao angi 78,343 makiandikithia grade ya C+.
Male candidates recorded better mean score performance than female candidates in 10 subjects, this being mathematics, biology, chemistry, general science, history and government, geography, agriculture, computer studies and business studies.
Hamwe na aya arutwo angi 92,612 mandikithitie grade ya C, arutwo 7,471 makiandikithia grade ya C-, riri nao arutwo 48,174 mandikithitie grade ya E.
I'm also pained by the fact that a large number of candidates, 48,174 or 5.33%, still ended up scoring a mean grade of E.
Thegia ya namba nene ya arutwo ya gukorwo matanahota kwigwatira grade cia kuingira university, Minister wa Githomo ni athite ruhonge rwa kugaya mieke ya university gutigirira arutwo othe ni magia na mweke wa gutaukirwo kothi iria magicagura thukuru-ini cia TVET niguo gwikia ihoya mbere ya mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu.
Universities and the College Central Placement Service, COOPS and universities to align their cluster points and the entry requirements with the new reforms to avoid disadvantaging the candidates.
Hadwini Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wanderwa.